Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Meta, providing you with a more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has assigned Meta a hold/accumulate rating, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Meta has shown a remarkable gain of 20.68% since we initially recommended buying it 34 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.61% since it was classified as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Thus, we cannot determine the stock's future direction with certainty. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend and is showing an even stronger rate of rise. In case of any pullback, there is now support at the previous trend line, which was broken at $392.53. This support level might offer a second opportunity to take advantage of the upward movement. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is at $427.25, which could prove to be a challenging level to break initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 22.62% change over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 11.32% to 22.12%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 84.95% change over the next year, with potential returns between 57.9% and 98.27%. This implies a price range of $622.33 to $781.45 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta brings exciting news: Green Day on Friday for Meta. The stock price of Meta experienced a gain of 0.244% on the last trading day, climbing from $393.18 to $394.14. It has now seen 4 consecutive days of growth. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.32%, reaching a low of $391.59 and a high of $396.77. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 6.62%, with gains in 8 out of the last 10 days. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 2 million shares, amounting to a total of 13 million shares bought and sold, equating to approximately $5.13 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate a divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $396.77, while its lowest price was $146.95. Currently, the price stands at 0.66% below the 52-week high, amounting to $2.63 difference. It's important to mention that the current price also represents the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, Citigroup reported that they have given Meta a buy grade, recommending investors to consider purchasing the stock. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, Meta received a market perform grade from Wells Fargo, suggesting that investors should hold on to their existing positions. Raymond James rated Meta as a strong buy on Monday, January 8, 2024, suggesting that it is a favorable investment opportunity with the potential for significant returns. On the same day, January 8, 2024, Wedbush assigned Meta an outperform grade, indicating that the stock is expected to perform better than the overall market. On Monday, November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade, suggesting that the stock is expected to perform in line with the overall market. Analysts strongly recommend investing in Meta stock, giving it an overall rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent buying opportunities, both receiving a strong buy rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong buy. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Meta stock. The moving averages indicate positive forecasts for the stock, with both short and long-term averages showing buy signals. Additionally, the relationship between these signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock will find support at $386.37 and $356.48. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 24.16% rise so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. We should closely monitor the stock for any developments. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal 35 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 2 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy 16 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average indicates a buy signal 34 days ago, while the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the stock of Meta. Let's start with the downside. Meta's stock has some strong support levels just below today's price. The first support level is at $334.92, followed by another at $302.66. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. So, if $334.92 is broken, the next support level to watch out for is at $302.66 and $296.73. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with trading in Meta's stock. This stock has average movements during the day in good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. In the last day, the stock had a range of $5.18 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.32% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's first understand some important fundamental data. One crucial factor to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Meta. As we analyze the stock, we notice an interesting pattern. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly, given the right conditions. This presents an opportunity for traders to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were executed by Newstead Jennifer. She bought and sold a total of 566 shares or options in the company. Based on the most recent insider trade, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative with a value of -99.469. Overall, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 566 shares in the last trade. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $382.95, which is a decrease of 2.84%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14, a measure of relative strength, is at a high level of 83, which further increases the risk involved. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 34 days ago, indicating a potentially favorable entry point for investors. Is Meta stock a good buy? While Meta holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is more suitable as a hold candidate or for accumulation, as we wait for further development. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Meta to open up $0.0256 and start trading at $394.17. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, always consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Let's take a look at the current view of this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have successful trading and a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.